So here, as you can see, a fake PNG background. Now I'll show you how to remove this fake PNG background from this photo. First of all, make sure to unlock your layer and then click on image adjustment, and here click on replace color. Once the replace color window opened, here you have to decrease these fuzziness from here. So make sure your background is white, properly showing, and then you can also increase or decrease this lightness from here. So all you have to need, make your background proper white, just like so. Once your background white properly, now just click on OK. And now all you have to need, click on select, click on subject, and here you can see my logo successfully selected. Now all you have to need, just press Ctrl Z, and now just delete this layer, and I'm going to adding a solid color background. And here, as you can see, I've successfully removed my fake PNG background.